I'm sorry I'm late, future. Fucking weird. Oh, beautiful. Oh yeah, hell yeah. All right, flying through this window. Hang a right, go down the stairs. I'm just trying to track this, but come in here and bam, do some power lift. This is a clean room. This is a good room right up front.
This was definitely a school. That's crazy.
Hell yeah.
Water fountain?
I got
Fountain right here.
All right, so get this. This is the first vlog of our road trip. We came to Indy to pick up Flyboog and get her back to Seattle for a new job. But
yeah.
All right, we got Josh here. Boom, part of the pack. We're gonna fly this. What is this?
It's like a school, I think.
It's a school. We got permission. It's abandoned. Broken down some shit.
We're in Frankfurt, Indiana.
We're gonna go do a little walk tour right now. Where are we at?
Frankfurt, Indiana.
Frankfurt, Indiana, y'all. An abandoned school. And we got the permission to fly this bitch. Check it out. This is our first fucking stop. Oh, fuck yes, dude. Oh, this is gonna be fun, bug. Hell yeah.
A win.
This is a win-win. Oh, fucking look at that thing. That's like an old theater in there.
Life jacket. That's an old pool or something.
This is sick. This is as good as any bando, man. My goal is to creep through this mofo. Whoa, I should have run a flashlight. Fuck. Whoa. All right.
Perfect.
Alright.
What do you mean?
What land are we in?
Oh, Frankfurt, Indiana?
Frankfurt, Indiana. And we're doing this, what is this? Old school? Crazy. Crazy. Alright. Huh?
Is that the horse?
Horse? What the fuck?
There's a horse?
No, we just, what the fuck? We went in there and there's some spots that are nasty fucking dark. But there's a spot, what the fuck?
Holy shit.
Oh, whoa, I didn't even see the horse. You are beautiful. Oh, well, if you don't mind, we're gonna have some drones flying around here. What do you think? Have you ever seen FPV before, buddy? Talk to me. Have you really? You're silly. You're silly. So, me and my buddy, we're gonna fly this place, huh? Huh, buddy? We're gonna put some goggles on him and see what he does. What a good boy.
He's so cute.
That's cool. All right.
Kind of.
Whistle pig, 10 years. See how this one goes.
Whistle pig.
Whistle pig. Josh is a DD, so he'd know more. Huh?
It's hot.
It is hot. It is kind of burning.
What are we drinking?
We're drinking Basil Hayden Kentucky Straight Bourbon.
Okay, actually the second one was
Ooh. With Coke?
I did like that one. That's pretty good.
We got nachos coming.
That was all Ivy up there. Yeah. Let's see if we can get in. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. Maybe we gotta bring the car.
I think we should
right
park.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, on that. Yeah, bring it over here, Josh.
I was just like, I could just see the sky. Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know where I am.
Yeah, I was watching you, and when you were going that way, you're like, started at a good level, and then you're just like going up slowly.
Yeah.